Whether you're a professional craftsman or DIYer and visit multiple work sites in a day, the Folding Sawhorse will stay beside you as a portable workstation. So in today's video, we'll show you the 7 best folding sawhorses with demanding durability and versatility. So without further ado, let's dive in.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
Create a sturdy working table anywhere, anytime with the Kreg KWS 500, a versatile sawhorse that offers an array of features to provide capabilities beyond a standard one. This sawhorse has a strong steel and aluminum construction that can hold up to 2,200 pounds of weight as a pair and can be expanded by pairing with another track horse or mobile project center. You can use this tool for various purposes like a regular sawhorse, work support, clamping center, and more. Besides, the easy foldability and portability make transportation easier. Featuring the Automax mechanism, this folding sawhorse will allow you dual mode clamping. Additionally, you can adjust the height in between 6 different working positions. So get this Kreg KWS 500 sawhorse and set up an extra large work table anywhere around your workshop to deal with large and heavy project materials with ease. Now check out the STANLEY 197-475, a lightweight combination of sturdy plastic and durable metal with an exceptionally compact design to ensure the ability to be easily carried. Having an all-metal construction, plastic top, and non-slip rubber feet, this sawhorse withstands all weather conditions. It also stands up to all site conditions with added security and stability. This portable workbench has robust aluminum legs and a maximum load capacity of 340 kilograms so that you can store large materials for heavy-duty projects. With a compact size and quick foldability, you can fold it flat, transport it, and store it conveniently, while the handle and optional shoulder strap will let you carry it wherever the project needs. Apart from that, these sawhorses can easily be attached together with the 2 side latches, offering you a wider work surface for laying decking, door trimming, and many more tasks. To sum up, this STANLEY 197-475 is a compact yet durable solution that will assist in creating a portable workbench with a large holding capacity and easy maneuverability. Now get your hands on the Rockwell RK9003 JawHorse, the most featureful and multi-purpose sawhorse in the class with a unique tripod-based design. The JawHorse is built to last with its all-steel construction and can hold your most important project's materials with up to 600 pounds of weight. Plus, it has a maximum clamping range of 37 inches with a 3/8 inch per step clamping method, which can easily hold a 36-inch door. Additionally, this sawhorse has no mar pads made from urethane to grip all materials without leaving any marks, while the 3 perfectly positioned legs ensure firm hold even with the uneven ground. Furthermore, the quick-release leg latches make foldings quicker, and the unlockable wheels will allow you to push the sawhorse easily. Besides, the hands-free clamping and foot pedal will let you create a maximum clamping force of 1 ton to keep the project stable, making it an ideal tool for professional craftsmen. Make a heavy-duty workplace anywhere with the ToughBuilt TBC550, a rugged and durable sawhorse with unparalleled value in holding capacity and steady fit to the surface. This sawhorse is made of 100% high-grade steel, making it capable of your most demanding tasks with up to 2,200 pounds of weight-taking capacity per pair. Also, the powder-coated and zinc-plated steel construction prevents corrosion for a lifetime and withstands the most rigorous environments. This folding sawhorse features adjustable height legs for which you can quickly configure it according to your project, while the quality material support pegs and pivoting feet can also be adjusted based on your work surface. Moreover, it has strong steel legs that easily fold into a convenient collapsible size and also features a round-edged platform that ensures absolute safety and security. With the easy grip handle, this ToughBuilt TBC 550 will let you carry it to the job sites effortlessly and stands as an excellent workbench for construction, firewood cutting, drywall, and many more tasks. Introducing the WORX WX065, a portable solution for making a sturdy workbench anywhere around the job site. With integrated bar clamps, you can quickly fasten big or small projects in vertical and horizontal positions. Plus, you'll get up to 1,000 pounds of weight capacity per pair of sawhorses, while each of the clamps utilizes a maximum clamping force of 300 pounds, letting you handle any demanding job. Weighing at only 4 pounds each, these sawhorses can be stored in the back of a vehicle or the corners between the projects. Featuring a built-in shelf, cord hooks, and many more convenient aspects, this WORX WX065 will be an ideal solution for every DIYer to a professional workshop worker. Work smarter, faster, and stronger with the Bora Portamate PM4500T, a highly portable workbench that takes mere time to be set up and combines precision with performance. Featuring the unique lever quick-release deploy technology, this sawhorse offers instant setup and teardown, which takes only 1.6 seconds to be set up, which is 30 times faster than the conventional ones. Plus, this Bora Speed horse has the best-in-class capacity of 1,500 pounds each, meaning it will be doubled to 3,000 pounds when used together. Besides, you can get a maximum working height of 30 inches, which puts your project within easy reach, while the pre-drilled metal top will allow you to screw in a 2x4 as a sacrificial top to save your equipment from damage. In order to save your precious time during setup and teardown with high work efficiency, this Bora Speed Horse PM4500T will be worth checking out. At number 1, we have the Metabo HPT 115-445M, the best-in-class folding sawhorse that comes with an affordable price tag and will let you create every project with confidence. Manufactured from quality materials, these folding sawhorses offer a 1,200-pound standout capacity per pair, including 2 sawhorses and 4 sawbucks. Weighing at only 11 pounds, they offer industry-leading durability to withstand tough and harsh job site environments. The sawbucks of the folding sawhorses are designed to hold 2x4s flat on their side and complete projects with precision. With a sturdy frame and long-lasting legs, these sawhorses provide a firm hold to the ground and also have a built-in shelf and cord hooks for maximum convenience. All in all, this Metabo HPT 115-445M sawhorses are packed with many best-in-class features that outshine them as the most eligible one for every professional or DIYer indeed. So that was a list of the 7 best folding sawhorses just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Go ahead and like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.